Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Petit Fours easy and no bake, and this is a good last minute edible gift for Christmas. So if you would like to see how, then keep on watching. So you will need a store-bought brownie or cake. If you would like to make your own, that is totally fine, but today is going to be easy and no bake. So you will also need a decorative box, cupcake liners that is festive and colorful. You will also need some sprinkles for decoration and this frosting that you can drizzle on top as a decoration as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I will do is put the liners in the box. So at first I put 5 pieces of liners and then I ended up using 6 pieces. I got everything from Walmart. The box was only like less than $2, so it was very affordable. It's time to prep the decoration. So I put about a tablespoon of frosting in a small bowl and I'm going to microwave it for about 7 to 8 seconds. I just want to soften it up so I can easily drizzle it on the brownies. Once the frosting is softened, I mix it really quickly and I tasted it and I absolutely hate the flavor. So I'm not going to be using the frosting. I will stick to the sprinkles. Now I am going to cut the cake into quarters. So it's going to be a bite-sized pieces. I'm also going to clean up the edges just so it looks nice and neat. Now it's time to decorate the mini cakes or the Petit Fours. And like I mentioned earlier, this is like a great last minute edible gift for your families and friends. You guys, the presentation is on point. I absolutely love this idea. I actually made a Petit Fours video before. I am going to have the link in the description box below so you can go ahead and watch that. By the way, this is also a great activity with your children. My daughter is actually helping me decorate this. She is choosing the sprinkle color that I should put on the cake. She also told me that I can use 6 liners because it looks like it's going to fit perfectly, and she was correct. I absolutely love this idea. The presentation is on point. It's super beautiful, and if I get something like this, I will be super tickled. I hope you find this idea helpful, and this is actually very cost effective. I only spent like less than 10 bucks to get all the supplies for this project. And as you can see, I have tons of leftovers and I can make a few more gifts to give away. It took me about 15 minutes to complete these beautiful mini cakes or Petit Fours. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this a thumbs up if it is inspiring to you, or if you got some new and fresh ideas today, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I hope to see you next time. Bye!